Hi, this is Manisha and I bought a dress from Tatvamasi. The dress is amazing. As you can see, the fabric, the color and the fit of it is really amazing. They always produce plus size. However, I'm a little on a slimmer side and this dress still fits me perfect. I'm not a fan of this wrap dress. However, the first time when I bought this dress, the fit is really amazing and it feels really good. Hence, I would just want to say thanks to Tatvamasi for a wonderful dress. And I would definitely recommend Tatvamasi to all the viewers and everyone who's actually wanting to buy these dresses, especially the plus side. So please, please, please do buy stuff from Tatvamasi.
Oh, the reasons why I like Tatvamasi. Yes, there used to be a big hunt where clothes for big sizes were all over Bombay, and I never used to get, and I had to get my clothes stitched. And whatever clothes I would get, they were so ill-fitting. In fact, they used to be so baggy, and it was difficult to get your choice of clothes. And with Tatvamasi, I got the tops for formals, and a lot of people have come and asked me, "Okay, from where did you get these tops?" In fact, I took few friends, and I just had no words to describe how I enjoy wearing these tops. I wear it for all types of occasions, formals, casuals. Only thing, you have to get the right pant to match the top. The whole effect comes out when you get the right pant for it. And so far, I have absolutely no complaints about it. And the tops are so good that even my daughter asked, "From where did I get these tops?" So now she has placed the order. And I would advise all ladies of large sizes, please try out these tops. You will really enjoy wearing them because they're not only comfortable, they look good, and we look really presentable when we wear them.
My name is Dhanashri. I have brought this dress from Tatvamasi. Recently I have brought this dress. इससे पहले मैंने 2-3 टॉप्स उनसे खरीदे थे और मैं सच्ची बताती हूँ, उन्होंने इतना अच्छे से कस्टमाइज करके टॉप्स और ड्रेसेस को बनाया कि अपने हिसाब से, मतलब बॉडी जैसे, जिसकी बॉडी जैसे है उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने डिजाइन किया हुआ है. और फैब्रिक के बारे में पूछो तो फैब्रिक तो इतना अच्छा है कि बता नहीं सकती. फील वाइज, कंफर्ट वाइज, इट्स वेरी नाइस एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई हैव बॉट दिस ड्रेस फ्रॉम तत्वमसी. पहली बार मैंने लाइफ में ऐसा फर्स्ट क्या बोलते हैं, वन पीस पहना है, तो आई एम लिटरली वेरी हैप्पी वेयरिंग दिस.
Hi, Tatvamasi, the brand for discerning women. Something I came across in my search for really good clothes for a woman like me. Clothes which are styled for a woman, taking care of not only the fabric, the pattern, the design, but the attention to detail is what got me attached to this brand. It's a really brand designed for women who are not exactly fitting into the size 0 to size 6 or 7 category. It's for women who are normal, from say size 10 to size 18. An absolutely delightful and lovely lot of clothes that come out every season, every couple of months, which can be worn for normal day-to-day or office wear. Thank you, Tatvamasi, for being there for me.
Shopping was always a task for me. I could never find anything that's comfortable and looks good. So it had to be either or. Finally, with Tatvamasi, I found something that makes me look thinner. It's stylish and they are very comfortable to wear. Thank you, Tatvamasi, for the amazing clothes.
Tatvamasi was one of the best discoveries I've had so far, where tops, whether it's formal or informal, I have bought. There used to be this big search for me for large size tops, and the choice was limited. The prints used to be dull, and I would really hate wearing those, and finally I would end up stitching. This is one place where I know I can go and get the tops and the fit of my size. I've been really enjoying. In fact, you can see the top I'm wearing is right there, and it's really comfortable. It sits well, and basically enhances my personality. I should say that many people have come up to me and asked, "Where did I get these tops?" And I always recommend Tatvamasi. And also, my daughter loved the top so much that she also has ordered for it. So it's for all ages and all big sizes. I would recommend.